Easter. This is the first Easter with the Rwang refugees. Jerry is talking with old former friends who stay here for a long, long time. His name is Johnson. These are godly people here comes out. Everybody work, but they take today off for Easter celebration. Everybody decorating because we only have the room right now. This morning, all the church English service, they had this room, so they gave us afternoon for our service. Just thank the Lord for these kids. Come and take a day off and celebrate the Easter. The women are preparing communion. The boys set up the speakers for singing and enjoying and celebrating Christmas today. Some of them put up the sign. He is risen. Yes. This is wonderful. We have a hope. We are happy. We're just thanking the Lord. We're just so happy. Can't imagine life without His reason from the dead. It's our customers. Some people getting ready for singing, leading the service.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. Happy Easter. Oh, whatever. Happy Easter. Do you see happy